Hello everyone, I'm your host 5 Minute Tutorials, where in this video I'm going to be teaching you some more pixel art. Today I'm going to be talking about the Pixel Perfect tool and why you should not use it, okay? So as you know that the Pixel Perfect tool helps you like do pixel art without like drawing extra stuff. So it's a very simple and useful tool, right? But listen, if you like use pixel perfect tool, you cannot like improve your skills of being a pixel artist, okay? So like just imagine that you are drawing something like a character face, so you can use the pixel perfect tool to help you, okay? But if you do that, you won't be able to learn too much from what you did. So in order to like improve your hands, in order to improve your muscle memory on pixel art, I recommend not using the pixel perfect tool, okay? So as simple as that, try not to use the pixel perfect tool. I learned that myself a while ago, okay? Yeah, that's the thing, okay? So let's just go to today's thing, which I'm going to teach you is how to like make basic shapes, okay? So like you can draw a triangle. So in pixel art, I'm using pixelorama. So if you press here and shift, you know that you can do this and you can do this, okay? So we just made a triangle, right? So instead of using the scale tool, we can just do it by hand more easily without using the pixel perfect tool, okay? So just do this triangle and then 1 2 and 1 2 and 1 2. So I'm gonna do 2, okay? 2. So 2 1 2 1 2 and 1 2. So if we just see, it's much more cleaner than the things that the art we did last time ago. So in order to improve your skills, you need to forget about the pixel perfect tool, okay? So that's I'm really sorry about that. So that's the only thing. So you can do a lot more. So let's imagine you making a character. You can use this tool, which is the mirror tool. It will help you like a billion times. So okay, so this is the thing, remember the mirroring tool. So you can make shields and anything that you want, okay? And like listen, I am not a professional, okay? So like don't like take my word for everything. So take everything with like a grain of salt. I don't know what that means, but it means something. So anyways, so always try to use the normal brush tool without the pixel perfect tool, because it will help you gain more muscle memory, or it will help you do pixel art more efficiently, okay? So yeah, that's the thing. So you can also make shapes. So I'm gonna give you a challenge. I want you to make a character, okay? So let me just open a flying. So you can see that this is a demon, so this is a flying devil, so with horns and things, not a flying, it's a ground type. But I want you to make a character just like this, or try to imagine a character just like this. It will really help you on your journey, okay? So apart from that, it's basically really simple. You just make an egg, okay? So first you go to here. Let me just undo this. So first you press new. Let me just make a new file. So it's going to be 32 by 32 bit. So now we're going to select the pencil tool. We're going to add the mirror function, mirror tool. So now you can do the simple shape. So just do this, try to make a shape. Even if it's not possible right now, try to make a shape as good as possible, okay? So it can be bad at first, it will look really bad like mine, okay? But once you get the grasp of it, you will be able to make it much more easierly. So I just made an egg, okay? So let me just see, let's just delete the extras. So we have an egg, okay? Let me just draw red with the bucket tool, and you can also do shading, but I'm not that good at shading, okay? So like listen to me, I'm not that good at shading. So let me just add this to add a bit of shading and outline, kind of, I think like a double layer outline. So this will be like an egg monster. That would be really interesting. So let's X to switch color, because we just missed something here, and X to go back. So now let's just do here and then here. Perfect. So we have like a little border, I think. So everything is looking good. So let's add some eyes. Okay, so in order to do that, we just do this. But right now I'm just gonna do this. Let's make it cute. Okay, actually no, let's just put it here. Let's add red, really dark red, and here, actually no, that doesn't look really good. Okay, perfect. It looks good, I think. I don't know, but this looks like a good eye. So let me just add a horns. Let me just do that. So you see, it's really simple. You just need to like know what you have to use and where you have to use it. So if you can like grasp the basic shapes, you will be able to almost make anything. Yeah, I'm not joking, almost anything. So let me just make it blue and add some more eyes, and let me just copy this, and you see it's like not that hard once you are able to like understand how everything works. Okay, so it's all about shapes. You need to get your shapes right and you will be able to make anything almost. So here's my very simple demon. So you see, you can do literally anything if you are able to like grasp the basic of pixel art. So I'm just gonna leave it at here. If you want more tutorials like this, just let me know. Okay, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.